All right, guys, Clay and Coco back with another product brand video. One of our favorite makers, machinists, the most interesting man in the world, Mike Bond.
The Dos Equis guy has nothing on Mike Bond.
Not on Mike, no.
Most interesting man in the world.
He has a handful of companies that include High-Tech Gear, which is poker chips and different flavors of chips. And he has a pen company that does all kinds of things like carabiners, pens, they do wallets, Ti2 Design, which is the company that really started the whole thing for him. And Bond Knives, yes, he's a knife maker. He does everything.
The Hulimaka, favorite.
One of our favorite products that he's done over the years is called the Techliner pen. He hadn't done it in a while, to my knowledge, not in a couple of years consistently. He came to us with an idea of doing our E-Kamo Hex Pattern on the Techliner pen, which we were ecstatic about because we love the pen.
Hex yeah, we said.
She totally got me. Like, I was not prepared for that, but that was good. All right, so heck yeah, here's our newest pen with Ti2 Design called the Techliner E-Kamo Pattern. This is the Shorty version. He has 3 different versions, I believe. The original is like 5.5. The Shorty, which is this one, is 5 inches. G2 refill, which is our favorite refill. G2 writes amazing.
I'm a G2 girl.
He's got a Super Shorty as well, which is golf pencil size pen, but this is the most popular size. We have a lot of different flavors in this. The one I'm holding now is bronze.
I love this one.
Yeah, this one's really cool. And what he did with the pattern, we'll try to get a close-up for you, but there's 2 versions of every option we got. So we have bronze, we have a TRD finish, we have blue, we have copper, we have brass. He did the pattern in a way that he inverted it to where the E's are raised in one and then they're flush in the other. It's really cool. It's almost 3D looking. There's 2 different versions of every pen, but the great thing about this pen is that it writes well, but it's got a magnetic cap, which is really addictive, and it goes on both ends. So you never have to worry about losing the cap on a capped pen. So you'll do that all day long like she's doing now, and I have to run her out of the office. But
that's why I do it.
This is an amazing pen. What's the cost on these? Like $175 for these. Yeah. So titanium, unless it's copper or brass. A lot of different cool anodizing and finishes that Mike does on these pens.
Let me say, Mike, he is a perfectionist.
Oh yeah.
When it comes to machining, he is second to none, for real. And I'm not just saying that because we love him, but he really is. He's a perfectionist in what he does. And what's cool with the E-Hex pattern is we've done it on several different models, several different knives, things like that, pens. Everyone kind of brings their own flair to it, and I feel like he took that E-Hex and like completely made it different.
He made it his own. Yeah, it's definitely different from any other.
It's very unique
that any other company has done with it. So it's really cool looking.
I mean, I know this one's mine, personal, but I'm really liking this one too.
So we've got different, like the blue really pops against the titanium on this one. It's got a really unique look to it.
You have a clip.
Pocket clip included. Or you can take it off if you don't want a pocket clip. It's easily removable.
Let me show you how easy this is. You just unscrew right there. There's your magnetic part. So make sure you do not lose that when you take that apart. But that's it. If you need to do a refill, you can take any G2. It just screws right back in. G2
is my favorite writing pen. Like, it just writes better than anything else. Parker's okay.
People are people are very picky. You like what you like. We are G2 family here.
Huge G2 fan, yeah.
The other fun thing about these is, I'm gonna totally screw the shot up here, but if you have multiple, they're really fun because they all hook together. So like when Ridge was photographing these, I know he had like a really hard time because they all just kind of hook together. Look at that. That is amazing. Don't. Ooh. Oh my God. Anyway, they're just really fun, fidgety, but they also write amazing and great price on these.
Yeah.
American made. They're all made in the USA.
This is the newest version of the Techliner pen made for us, which we are super grateful for.
Thanks,
and yeah, it's a cool option. The pattern just looks really cool on these pens.
Just in time for the holidays as well.
Yep.
These will make great stocking stuffers or gift ideas for family members, loved ones, employees, anything like that. So,
yep.
Yeah. All right, guys, if you're on YouTube, you don't follow us, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, comment below. What's your favorite pens? Do you have any Techliners? Give us your
refill.
Ooh, yeah. What's your favorite ink? Parker, G2,
Schmidt,
Easy Flow, Fisher, just in case you need to write upside down, because like if you're just hanging around upside down and need to write a letter, let us know what you think of the new Techliner from Ti2 Design. Links in the description below, so make sure you check it out.
And as always,
have a nice day.